Welcome to DeepMind AI. Today we will be talking about the super feature of AI with Adobe Firefly. In Adobe Firefly, with the power of AI, we can generate text, add, remove objects, and transform text. Even we use just a brush to generate object, picture, flowers, whatever we want. So without wasting time, let's dive into Adobe Firefly and let's see what we can do with the power of AI. In order to use Adobe Firefly powered by AI, we have to search Adobe Firefly and we can see the top link here. We have to click on the top link. And now we have the interface of Adobe Firefly powered by AI. On front page, we have three fantastic cool features that is supported by AI in Adobe Firefly, and we are going to use the first one, that is text effects. So in order to use text effects, we just have to click on this one, and right now we have the interface of text effects. We just have to click on try. Now we have the text effect interface. So now we can see there are different design, color, different thing we have. So here we can see text. We can enter up to 20 character text. So like I just mentioned my company name, that is Corbett. Now I have to describe the text effect which I want to generate. So I have to give instruction, the format, the style, the font which I want. So I'm going to insert text. I like pink color, white, or I can say diamonds, balloons. Just I have to click on generate. Wow, this is just amazing. Now we have fantastic color. We have different sample prompts here. We can change colors, format, everything we can do from here. And the third one, now we are going to use which is, let me see. Now we are going to use the next feature of Adobe Firefly powered by AI. Now we can just use a text to generate image. So we have different feature. Let's discover that as well. Just we have to click text to image. Now we have a wonderful interface here. We have to try text to image. Click here. Now we have text to image, wonderful interface. Now we have to describe the image which we want to generate. Just we have to simply insert text and it will generate picture for us. Now I'm going to describe the picture which I want by simply putting some text. So I'm going to prompt some text here. Cat relaxing on a hill looking into camera and sunset view. So just click on generate. This is just amazing. Just using simple text, we have generated picture. In Adobe Firefly, now we have generative fields and we can just upload a picture, we can remove object or paint new ones. So let's do that. I have to upload a picture. Just click on upload. And I have this picture I'm going to use. Now let's see what AI can do with this picture. I can now easily remove background picture. So in order to remove background picture, you have to click background. Within a second, you have seen the background has been removed. The second option we have, now we have here setting, where we have the brush. By using brush, we can add remove, or we can change style. So we are going to change this shirt. So just you have to rub the brush here. Now we have to simply describe what kind of shirt we want. So I want pure white shirt. Wow, this is just amazing. By using simple prompt and a brush, we have changed the color of shirt and the size. Everything has been changed by using just a brush and simple prompt. Thank you so much for watching DeepMind AI. Please share, subscribe our channel.